no job shortage. There is a worker shortage. People who know how to use their hands and have a skill, that's really a dying breed. We need more people that have a skill and have basic knowledge of what makes the world work.
It is so difficult, number one, to find help and to find qualified help.
Not just locally, nationally. The construction industry entry level is going down. We're needing 700 and some odd thousand jobs a year just to keep pace with construction. It is a well-paying job, and we need an educated workforce here in Meridian, Mississippi. That's what we need. We need to educate our people that there's work here, and there's going to continue to be work.
There will always be a need for nurses. Nursing will always be a career that will have openings and jobs available in different capacities all around.
Having guys that can come in and cook, be responsible, be on time, show leadership skills, and it definitely helps the job grow and it helps the business grow.
You know, we definitely need our younger generation to join our volunteer and career firefighters. We want to make sure that we educate our kids and have them stay here to grow our tax base with families.
That number has risen from 89 to 103 districts in the state of Mississippi that are critically short on quality teachers in their classrooms. You know, studies show that if someone lives in a community, they're more vested in it, they're more willing and more likely to stay in that community and work and serve it to be a great teacher. So.
Being an entrepreneur is it's a daunting task. It really is, and you need somebody to kind of guide you into that. The problem is a lot of youngsters don't have someone that they can look at and see the business growth and seeing how to obtain it.
So the new project's only going to enhance dual credit opportunities, especially in career and technology education. Through dual education and dual credit, students in high school can go and access college credit-bearing courses early, enhance their skills, advance their college education early. It saves them money in the long run, and then they graduate oftentimes early and ready to get out in the workforce.